Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are going to start unit 4. Its title is A Better Place. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. Before this in English for grade 4, I have given you idea the concept of synonym and antonyms. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to locate, provide, connect, and use words similar and opposite in meaning. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Nashra, verse 5, sorry. So, surely with hardship comes ease. Subhanallah. Beta, you see such an encouraging and motivational verse this is. After every hardship, there is ease. Right? So whenever there is any difficulty, we should not be upset because Allah is telling after hardship, there will be ease. All right? So these two words, hardship and ease, are opposite to each other. You remember? Okay, so first you tell me what are antonyms and what are synonyms. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you have answered correctly and you could recall that antonym and synonym. So let's see what does your book says about it. Synonyms are the words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. Mostly they can replace each other, right? This is what the words, if they have exactly same or approximately same meaning, they are called synonyms. And while writing or speaking, we can replace words with each other. Like you find one word, this does not sound that good, so you can replace it with its synonym, right? For example, about this weather, when we talk, look at the condition of the boy standing here. So we can say it's a warm or hot day. Right? So these words are synonym of each other. Look at this doll. This toy is pretty or beautiful. So these two words are synonym for each other. What are antonyms then? Antonyms are the words that have the opposite meaning. For example, day, night, right? Day and night, they are opposite to each other. Long and short. She has long hair and she has short hair. So long and short are antonym of each other, right? So synonyms, a word having same or identical meaning to another word is called a synonym. The girl looks very beautiful and the girl looks very pretty. So in these two sentences, this beautiful is synonym of pretty and vice versa. So difficult and hard, answer or reply, begin or start, these are the sets of synonym, one and the other. Okay? A word having opposite meaning to another word is called antonym. The cat is beautiful and the cat is ugly. So this ugly and beautiful, they are antonym of each other because they have opposite meaning, right? Early, late, small, big, loud, quiet. So these are antonyms. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so I'm going to check it through an activity. Students are first paired and are placed in a position such that they don't face each other, right? A student will be given a picture and the other student will be given a plain paper and pencil. The student with the picture has to describe what is in the picture without actually telling what it is. Okay, you are not supposed to tell what it is. You have just to give the clues. The other student has to bring in some creativity and imagination to draw a picture according to his description. Then one student will tell synonym and the other antonym for that word. In both complete tasks successfully, they will get points accordingly. Winner of the maximum point, winner of the maximum point will win this game. Okay, so in this way you are going to enjoy this beautiful activity. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So here is a practice from your book. Here is a word list. You have to write their synonyms and antonyms. So pause the video, complete this activity in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 words with their synonyms and antonyms. So first you will write words, then you will write the synonyms, and then you will write the antonyms. And here is, there are more than one worksheets. Teacher, the links are given, you may click it, download it, and kindly provide students with printed worksheet for practice. What you are supposed to do, the instructions are very clear, words are here, you have to join them with their synonym, antonym, likewise here, and here is a word bank. You have to select the correct word for the underlined word for the synonyms. Okay, so in this way you will complete these worksheets. The previous one is also for synonym and antonyms. So teacher, you may select all these 3 or whatever you want to take. Okay, so in this way, my dear children, what we have learned, we learned to locate, provide, connect, and use words similar and opposite in meaning. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to locate, provide, connect, and use words similar and opposite in meaning. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.